Hey everybody, good morning. It's July the 23rd and today I thought I'd share with you guys how we save money in the garden by saving our own seeds. So I'm going to take you along and show you some of the seeds that I'm collecting today. So this is some of the perpetual spinach that we grew all through the winter last winter under just a plastic clear tote, and it came up through the summer and bolted, and now it is covered with seeds. So we're gonna cut off these seeds and put them in just one of these Brahms bags because there's so many of them. We'll just cut off the branches and put these in the bag. There's no need to be fancy and take off each individual seed. We just cut off the whole branch and put them in the bag and then set them in the house, and they will dry like this, and then when we go to plant the seeds we can easily pick them off the branches. This is one of this year's onions that I'm going to leave here. You can see it's a pretty good size and it's just a beautiful color. So I'm going to leave this one here and cover it up real good all through the winter, and then next year it will flower and make seeds for us. When I decided to make this video, I had already pulled up all the onion seeds off of the onion plants that I want to save. So this is just the remains of an onion flower that had gone to seed. And here is what the onion seeds look like in the bag. I just pull off the whole flower and separate them as best I can, and then let them dry like this. And the little black seeds are inside and they will fall out sometime over the winter, and we'll plant them in the middle of the winter inside and then put the plants out in the spring. These are our carrots that we had grown last summer and had them under cover all winter, and we harvested all through the winter what we needed for soups and stews, and then we left the remainder of them here to go to seed this summer. And so this is what's left. We're going to pull off all of these seed heads and save the seeds. Most of these are not quite ready, but I wanted to show you one that. Here's an example of a carrot seed that's ready. Well, it's hundreds of seeds. You can tell that they're dark brown and they're starting to come off. You could just run your hand over them and the seeds fall off, and that means that they are ready to pick. So we will just cut off the whole end here and put them in a brown paper bag through the winter and plant them in the spring. When we don't have too many seeds, then I like to put them in these little lunch sacks and write what they are and then the year that I collected them. That way I know which ones are the most fresh. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you'll leave a comment and let me know what kind of seeds you like to save in your garden, and I appreciate y'all being here today.